Welcome to Umkosi Nomakajane. I am Umakajane. Umkosi wethu namhlanje bazala bamzitho, it's about Sophie Ndaba. So we all know that Sophie Ndaba has been sick for the past years and weight loss yakhe yehle kakhulu umzimba wakhe waluza she lost a lot of weight nje impilo yakhe bengenye indlela and we stop seeing her on our screens like I think the time to say generations, I mean I've never seen her after that. Ngaphandle ngokuthi maybe she's trending ukuthi she's not feeling well, uyagula, or the time the marriage umshado wakhe bongathi uyaphela. That time I've never seen her ayenza umsebenzi wakhe, but again as she said now, a lot of people they were saying she's ugly and she's going to die, which is wrong, guys. You cannot say ukuthi umuntu ngoba gula she's going to die. Who are you? Are you God? Because we are not God. uNkulunkulu wazi ukuthi ilanga lethu lokugcina linini emhlabeni. But guys, I'm so happy to tell you that Sophie Ndaba, she's back and kicking. She looks healthy, she feels healthy, and you can see even the skin muhle, the weight uyabuya emzimbeni wakhe. And I'm so glad to see ukuthi after yonke lento nje ukwazile ukuthi abuye and lokugula we know ukuthi une-sure diabetes, naye usakwazi ukuphila nokugula kwakhe and she's healthy. And a lot of people who are suffering from sure diabetes, guys, we know they lose weight. I think we need to learn about this thing and we need to learn to be a country ewazi ukuthi singahleki nento engahlekisi. You cannot ukuthi umuntu ngoba agula uhleke. Hi guys, ayikho into ehlekisayo lapho, and there's nothing wrong ayenzile. uNkulunkulu wamkhethela le ndlela le, or uNkulunkulu wamkhethela ukuthi uzogula. Akekho umuntu ongavela akhethe ukuthi no what, mina ngifuna ukuphathwa isifo soshukela. Where's isifo soshukela, guys? But again, bazala bamzitho, she's back, she's looking lovely, she's beautiful. And bazala bamzitho, that is all for today. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.